I selected this magnetic dry erase board for my daughter for 6 main reasons. The first one was durability. Although it was reasonably priced, it works like a premium magnet dry erase board. The surface is quite durable, it's not hazing or ghosting or staining with use, and it's quite easy to clean. Second, I love the all-in-one convenience. The combination of the whiteboard, magnetic board, and bulletin board makes it extremely versatile for practically any use. 3, the cork strips. Some dry erase board corkboard combinations have very small dry erase sections, and I appreciate that this dry erase portion is large, but I can still pin things to the top or bottom when needed. The built-in cork strips make it easy to pin notes or pictures, invitations, school papers, anything that we need. I also like that the magnet is included. I appreciate the started magnet, and we also purchased some super cute magnet sets that match the room to go with it. 5, speaking of magnets, the magnetic marker is included. Having a dry erase with a magnetic cap, built-in felt eraser, it's quite a game changer. I'm not searching for that lost expo marker in the drawer. It's always within reach, never rolls away. Finally, I do like the customization options. You can select between a white frame or a black frame to match your decor. The board is not just functional, but it also adds a touch of personality. With easy mounting instructions, it's super easy, hassle-free. I love that it's sturdy and lightweight and doesn't wiggle on the wall. Overall, would definitely buy this again.